Your insurance company just told you that you need a new roof, and you're wondering, are they going to pay for it? The answer might surprise you. And if you're a Florida homeowner, this is something you absolutely need to know. I'm Matt Walsh, and today we're breaking down exactly when insurance covers a roof replacement, and when it doesn't. First, why is your insurer even asking for a new roof in the first place? Florida's heat, humidity, and constant storm activity wear roofs down faster than almost anywhere else in the country. Because of that, many insurers use what's known as the 15-year rule. If your roof is 15 years or older, they'll require an inspection. And if that inspection shows your roof doesn't have at least 5 more years of life left, they can require a replacement before they'll renew your policy. Now, can they actually force you to replace it? Technically, no. You own your home, but if you refuse, they can drop your coverage entirely. So, in practice, it often feels like they can. When does insurance actually pay? Here's the big question: will insurance pay for the replacement? It depends on why your roof needs replacing. Insurance covers it when the damage is sudden, accidental, and caused by a covered event, like hurricane-force winds, a tornado, hail, or a fallen tree. But if your roof is just old and worn out from years of Florida weather, that is not covered. That's considered a maintenance issue, and it's on you as the homeowner. Now here's something most Florida homeowners don't fully understand, and it could cost you thousands if you don't know it. Before 2022, Florida had what was called the 25% rule. If a storm damaged just 25% or more of your roof, insurance companies were required to pay for a full replacement, even if the other 75% was perfectly fine. Roofing contractors and law firms figured this out fast, and they exploited it heavily, filing massive numbers of claims and lawsuits. It became one of the biggest drivers of Florida's insurance crisis and why so many carriers left the state entirely. In 2022, the Florida legislature passed Senate Bill 4D and raised the threshold from 25% all the way up to 50%. Here's what that means for you today. Think of it this way: less than 50% damaged, your insurer only has to pay to repair that section. No full replacement required. You could end up with mismatched shingles, an aging roof still underneath, and the same problem coming back in just a few years. 50% or more damage, the insurer is required to cover a full roof replacement. This is the threshold you need to know before you ever file a claim. Here's the catch that nobody talks about. If your roof is already 10 or 12 years old and a storm damages 30% of it, the insurer fixes that 30%, but you still have an aging roof underneath. The repaired section probably won't match. And in a few years, you could be right back to needing a full replacement, completely out of pocket. This is also a big deal in real estate. A home with a partially repaired older roof can be harder to insure for a new buyer, which affects their financing, and it affects your sale price. It's one of the first things I look at when helping clients evaluate a property. One more thing to check before you ever file a claim: your policy type, because it makes a massive difference in what you actually get paid. If you have actual cash value coverage, called ACV, your insurer pays the depreciated value of your old roof. So, if your 15-year-old roof is worth $4,000 on paper, that's what you get, even if a new roof costs $18,000. Replacement cost value, RCV, pays what a new roof actually costs today. That's the coverage you want. Pull out your policy tonight and find out which one you have. If it's ACV, talk to your agent about upgrading. So, what's the smartest move as a homeowner? 3 things. 1. Get regular inspections. If your roof is 15 years or older, inspect it every year and after every major storm. Catching small problems early keeps you in control. 2. Document everything. After any storm, take photos immediately. If you need to file a claim, you need proof that the damage was caused by that specific event, not pre-existing wear. 3. Know your policy. Check your material type, your coverage type, and your deductible before you need to use it. If you have 3-tab shingles, some insurers won't even renew your policy. Upgrading to architectural shingles can make a real difference. Bottom line, insurance can pay for your roof, but only under the right conditions. Storm damage? Covered. Old age and wear? Not covered. Less than 50% damage? Repairs only. Know the difference, know your policy, and maintain your roof before you ever have to make that call. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We cover real estate and homeowner topics like this every single week right here in Florida. If you have questions about buying, selling, or financing a home in Florida, I'm Matt Walsh. I'm a licensed real estate agent with Illustrated Properties and a licensed mortgage loan originator with Orca Home Loans. Call or text me at 561-886-8456, or send me an email at mwalsh@ipre.com.